Pagosa! Happy Saturday and welcome back to Discovery Time. You guys know those mini finger skateboards that you can play with? Today, I'm going to teach you how to make one of your own. All you're really going to need is a popsicle stick, one of the wider ones, a straw, and some beads. It will also help if you have some scissors, a hot glue gun, and some markers or paint, something to decorate with, and a cup of water. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. All right, we're gonna start with our popsicle stick, and then we're going to cut it in half. Use the other side to give the right rounded edges that you need, and cut. Once you've cut your ends, it's a good time to begin bending. Place in water to make more flexible. Bend, but not so hard that it snaps, just enough that it tilts up in sort of a smile. If it's still too hard, put back in the water. Now the other side. Use the table to help you keep the middle flat. Once it's bent and follows a nice curve, you're going to let it dry. And if you have markers, you want to decorate the bottom. You can also decorate the top, or to make it more authentic, take a piece of sandpaper and glue it to the top. Now it's time for your straw. You're going to cut a piece so that it goes right across the bend and is the same length as your popsicle stick. Add some hot glue. Grab your beads. These will be your wheels. Glue them to the ends of your straws. And there you have it, a mini skateboard. How could you make it so that yours is even better than mine? Once you have it, maybe you can learn some tricks on it. I can't wait to see your mini skateboards. Feel free to shoot me an email at josie@pagosalibrary.org. Comment them below or bring them in. Goodbye, Pagosa!